Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. So I'm building this top version of a Pavoni. This is the full black version. We have the cyclist cover, we have the latitude adapter. I installed also the B-push steaming, which has the fully flexible steam pipe. Wanted to show you this also, but what's very special for me is I'm going to try to install this. This is the Dual Espresso Shot profiler, guys. So we have pressure, battery, charge, and this is the temperature. As you can see, if I'm touching the end of the thermistor, there you go, towards 30 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so I want this to be installed with the help of course, hollow shaft, piston with hole also. So this is the piston pressure kit elements, both piston and shaft, right? Okay, so let's install these. This is the insertion tool made of Teflon. As always, I have another video also if you want to check out how to install the piston pressure kit. Now I'm inserting the shaft into the group head. I'm just aligning the hole, the side hole, with the channel from the group head, like this. There you go. Okay, now we have the shaft inside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this adapter straight as a blocking nut also. I want as little space as possible between this and the hole that we have under the piston, which we have on the piston actually. I want to see exactly how hard it is to insert this into the hole of the piston. This is going to be fun, I guess. And I'm going to use a little bit of thread locker here. I'm going to adjust the piston travel. First, of course, we need to install the fork, the spacers between the fork and the group head, everything, and only after that we can install the profiler. Okay, so fork installed. I've tightened all the screws and everything. The purpose of this video is, as I said, the profiler and not how to install the fork, or because we have all these details in the piston pressure kit installation video, also available on my YouTube channel. So now again we have the Teflon spacers between the fork and the group head. I'm not going to use, as I said, the blocking nut. That will be the adapter roll. I can see the shower into this pickup grid. That will help a lot. I can see in the grid the shower. I can remove the shower, and actually when inserting the profiler, I will actually see the wire, the end of the thermistor, when it will get through the hole. So I think it's better like this. Yeah, so let's remove the shower, and after that, after I can see the wire getting through the hole, only then we can install the shower back. Yeah, I think it's a lot better like this, I guess. Okay, in this case, let's not move the fork. Let's remove the blocking nut. Let's keep the shaft in the same position. We want the setup to remain as it was, the depth of the piston. I'm gonna have to put again a little bit of thread locker because the nut has removed it. Okay, There you go. No, no luck. I don't see any. There you go. Yeah. 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 The wire came through. Now I can leave. Yeah. I'm gonna show you a picture. It's perfect actually. Yeah, so the end of the thermistor is sticking out like 2 millimeters out. It's not touching the piston, but it's out definitely. And I'm just going to leave. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. I'm going to remove the, yeah, there you go. So I'm leaving this to cure, the thread locker over here, and I'm going to show you the results here. So there you go. It's perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Let's leave this again to straighten, strengthen, and this should be fine. Of course, the on-off button is on the right. I want it to be exactly like this, and I'm going to show you after a few minutes. We need like 4 or 5 minutes. It should be perfect. Sorry about the mess. I'm working on another machine here. So yeah. So let's see what we did. Let's put the shower screen back and let's test this bad boy.